In this video, we're going to be talking about considering natural sweeteners rather than sugar. So I mentioned this video is coming up in the previous videos. We're going to be talking about how, like what natural sweeteners are out there and which ones you can use, okay? Which is awesome, okay? You definitely want to consider this if you have, let's say, anxiety, okay? With sugar, it actually helps reducing anxiety. So with a couple of my clients, they actually have had social anxiety, and reducing their sugar, they have found that being in social situations does not make them as anxious anymore. So there is I read that study with sugar and anxiety a long time ago, and I tested it on myself, worked out, but not everything works for everyone, right? So when I suggest it with my clients that this might help, and they do it and their anxiety has lowered, they're just like, this is amazing, this is awesome. It's not perfect, no. Is it completely gone? No, but it's a lot better than what it was. Just by reducing their sugar, which is incredible. Like, food is so healing, right? But if you're struggling with some sugar cravings, some natural sweeteners might be the trick for you, and you can put them in your baked goods, your coffee, your tea, basically anything that you took the sugar out, you can put them back in, right? Okay, so Stevia is a great one. Okay, it virtually has no calories, and it has been shown to help reduce blood pressure and blood sugar. So that's awesome with stevia, right? So stevia is a great natural sweetener that you can use. It's actually like from a plant, so that's really cool, right? Erythritol is naturally found in fruit, okay, and it contains only 6% of the calories of sugar, okay. But this is also one of the sweeter sweeteners. Like I said in previous video, like I find that strawberries and especially raspberries are a lot more sweeter to me now that I've reduced sugar, and it's because of this and their erythritol in them, right? So you can buy it at the store and add it to your baked goods and stuff like that. But for me, this one's just a little too sweet for me. The next one is monk fruit. So monk fruit is also another natural sweetener, and a lot of people find that this one is like the best for tea and coffee, okay? Another one that you can get is Swerve. Another natural sugar replacement is Swerve, and I love Swerve for baking, okay? Because it comes you can get it in like a powder form, so you can make icing sugar with it, and you can get it in the actual natural sweetener form, which is like white sugar, okay? Then they actually have like a golden version of it, so it's the brown sugar replacement, which is really, really cool. So you can add, and it tastes just like brown sugar too, so if you like brown sugar in your coffee or on your oatmeal, you can still have it with the Swerve. So Swerve is my favorite because of all the different ways you can have it. Monk fruit is actually starting to do the same thing, which is great. They now have a golden sugar out as well, so that's their brown sugar replacement for the natural sweetener, which is really cool too, right? So I would say monk fruit and Swerve are the most popular alternative. Another natural sweetener alternative is honey, but as I mentioned in the previous video, you want to get it from the organic section, so it's actual 100% honey, and you can use that as a little sweetness in your baking, for your granola bars, even in your tea or in coffee. Honey is amazing. And a great natural to get them. Now, all these should be found in the organic section of any store. I know Superstore and Loblaws have all these sugar replacements. So, but if you do have any issues whatsoever finding any, or you want to see if this, say, hey, is this one? Put it in the comments below and I'll let you know, and I'll help you figure it all out for you, okay? I know in the States, Whole Foods has all of these as well, okay? But this is the end of this video. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next video.